Hey, won't you start selling your music online today? Set up an everlasting stream of income for you, your family, and your children's children forever and ever and ever. Remember, music never gets old. Do something your great-grandchildren will be proud of. Click the link below to learn more. Prince Beast Mode Marketing. All right, apologies about that. Money be calling, bruh. You gotta answer the phone when money be calling, bruh. Anyway, financing your own label. All right. You have to first figure out, what does it take for you to make money? All right. You need to record it. So if you don't have a recording studio, if you're recording at home on some crazy little app, I'm not knocking it. I'm not knocking it. It still work, right? As long as you can mix that joint to where it sounds okay, right? Okay. In this day and time, that joint ain't got to be crystal clear. However, the better the music is, because there's certain platforms that only accept a certain type of format for your music. And that format, just to be clear, is called the best, right? Let's just call it like that. The best format for this particular, like, let's say I'm trying to put it on Tidal. Yeah, your stuff got to be tight. Tight. Don't play games. Don't play games. All right. So another way you can do it. All right. One way you can do it is through credit cards, right? Find out what your credit score is, right? You can get a credit card. Let's say your credit score like an 800, right? They're gonna give you a credit card. Now, if you run with somebody like me, I know I run with a lot of people, right? I'm a marketer. I know people who clean credit. I know people who can help you. So while you're cleaning your credit, you're still looking for money to finance your music, your album. All right? You can go to loan sharks like what Puffy did. And because if you look at like some old Queen Latifah videos, Puff Daddy in the back dancing. Right? And he took that money. Well, he took those contacts. He could not make enough money. And this is hearsay. This ain't like, you can't find this on the web. What I'm about to tell you, you can't find it on the web. All right? And if you do, please let me know. Puffy, from what I understand, now I'm originally from South Bronx. Right? I'm not saying because you're from the South Bronx, I mean you know anything about hip hop? No, but New York cats, bro. Anyway, Puffy, dancing in the back. He making money, but still not enough money to do what he want to do. Start his own label. All right, so he had to get money from somewhere, and so he borrowed money from different people, from somebody. Made it shady, not too shady, not the best kind of business partners you want to be in, but he did it and it worked. All right, so you can go through a loan shark to put it, but with a loan shark, even with the loan shark or even with the bank, you got to have some sort of way. The person wants to know, the investor wants to know, how am I going to get my money back? If I give you $100,000 today, right? And investors don't mind. Look, in 3 years, if you say in 3 years, I guarantee you're going to make $300,000 with no effort, right? And that's what investors want to hear. Now, you got to show the work. You got to show everything almost foolproof, right? To convince them, but you can convince them, right? People do it every single day. The thing about it is you just have to get in front of enough investors to where if one person rejects you, you ain't like, it's the end of the world, oh my God, I'm never going to get my music out. No, dude, you put like 50 of them in front of you, right, that got $100,000 that want to invest, that want to make more money, right? Not necessarily invest in you, right? But you have to be in the position to where you can get in front of them to show them your product, and say, I want 100 grand. And this is what you're going to make off of it. And here is my contracts. And here is everything. Like, you got to have this stuff in position, bruh. In position. All right. You got to find the money. That's all I'm saying. Find the money. And get you some fine malt liquor. Mickey's. Fine malt liquor. 99 cents. I ordered them joints. You can order them joints from Amazon. No, you can't. You can't order alcohol from Amazon right now. I don't think so. Anyway, all right. Let's talk about distribution. MP3 versus physical copy. Because I know cats out there right now, even as in 2019, and you watching this video, you selling physical copies, which ain't nothing wrong with it. Because with physical copies, I mean, if that joint gets scratched, it's ruined. It's over with. So, like, that's not what you want to do alone. All right? You want to sell them the physical copy, right? And you want to sell them, let's say I got 10 songs on my CD. All right? And if you buy it for $5, right? I give you 10 songs on my website you go to, right? No, I give you 20 songs on my website you download for free. Boom, boom, boom. And my CD, the difference between my stuff, because I know how to sell, my CD will actually be gold. And it will come in a frame, and it's not meant for you to put into your, if you want to, you can put it in your radio. If you got an old stereo system, you can put it in there. However, you want to hang it up, and you want to have that joint signed by you, because if you know you dope, if you know you're going to be successful, Mickey's make you burp. If you know you're going to be successful, right, then there's this saying one of my mentors teach me, and a lot of people use it, but they don't have the correct understanding of it, and then it's called fake it till you make it. It is an esoteric, meta magician type tactic. All right, mental magic is what they call it, right? So fake it till you make it does not mean fake like you balling and you not. That's not what it means. Fake it till you make it means that I believe, I have the faith that I am already successful, even though I'm not at this very moment, though I'm going to fake like I am. All right. I don't think it was clear enough. The emotion of being, like, if you were multi-platinum, yo, go tell my man this. Nah. Multi-platinum selling artist, right? How would you be responding? What kind of emotion would you have at this very moment, right? And you carry yourself throughout the day, even though you're working a 9 to 5, you carry yourself and your emotion is like, I'm the best at what I do. I am a multi-platinum selling artist. That's the kind of attitude I carry, right? That I am the best at what I do, and I don't care who. Like, I am Michael Jackson and you Tito. That kind of fire, bro. Dwarf cats, bro. Dwarf them. Right? Anyway. Hey, won't you start selling your music online today? Set up an everlasting stream of income for you, your family, and your children's children forever and ever and ever. Remember, music never gets old. Do something your great-grandchildren will be proud of. Click the link below to learn more. Prince Beast Mode Marketing. Now your MP3, all right, let's go with the physical side of selling this stuff. Now, my idea is to sell your CDs as gold into a frame, get about $25 for the CD, right? You sign it, got a poster and everything, you dope, bruh, right? And then they can download the stuff for free if they buy the album, buy the CD that's inside of, you know what I'm talking about, like a gold record, and you can sell the gold record too, right? I will be at the corner, bro. I will be at the store, selling gold records, bro, frame, $100. And I know you saying, man, nobody gonna buy you. That's what's wrong with you. Because you don't believe nobody. All you need to do is sell one, bro. Sell one. You run across that right person that's gonna buy one that one day, and you made $100 that day. Not counting the frame and all that stuff you had to kick out for the frame, right? Or your expenses. So you can sell it like that, and you can sell them online too. Like, you don't have to stand in front of a physical store. And I'm just using that as an analogy, right? You sell them online, right? Physical products you can sell online too, and then you ship it to them. But the cool part about it is, bro, you get paid for it up front, right? So along with your merch, right? Your t-shirts, your posters, everything that says who you are, God, they can buy it. Hey, won't you start selling your music online today? Set up an everlasting stream of income for you, your family, and your children's children forever and ever and ever. Remember, music never gets old. Do something your great-grandchildren will be proud of. Click the link below to learn more. Prince Beast Mode Marketing.